Hello friend, today I have a Lexus LS430 2005. In this video I will show you where is the common failure if your trunk is not opening. This is the trunk opening motor. How to test and where is the common failure. This trunk motor is not working. Customer changed before, but not problem in the motor. Where is the problem? In this video I will show you where is the ECU for trunk open. This is the ECU. This is control for trunk motor and also fuel gauge controller. This is the location. Left side of the trunk. If the Lexus LS430 the trunk is not open, fuel gauge is not working, this you can change this one. I change before change customer the motor but not working. I change this one and the trunk is working very well. This is the old one. I fix another one. If your trunk not working, first thing first you check this follow ECU, this fuse box ECU. Thank you for watching.